YouTube. Back for another video again. Just gonna smoke a vaporizer over here with y'all. I haven't been making as much videos as I usually do. Definitely trying to get back in the swing of things. Just been going through the birthday. It's getting over the birthday week and whatnot. You know how we do. Just gonna be smoking here, and I have a question for y'all. What do you think about Xbox One and PS4? Which one do you guys think is better? I want to hear y'all's opinion. I am gonna go with Xbox all day. I'm gonna go with Xbox 360. I'm gonna go with Xbox, regular Xbox. I'm gonna go with Xbox down to the day I die, because Xbox is the best. Well, it's not the best. It's just I prefer it, I guess. It feels better in my hands. The way it's set up is a lot more easier. It's I don't know, they give you free games every month, or free gold, well, 2 free games actually. But if you want them, then download them. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty good. It's the quality, everything. I just love it. I just love Xbox. And that's my opinion. Let me hear y'all's. Let's go ahead and just take a little rip here. Got my hair growing out pretty long. Probably gonna get a job. Hopefully gonna get a job soon at the grocery store. Hopefully. Probably have to cut my hair because you can't have hair like this at the grocery store. Probably gonna have to cut it down to my usual buzz cut. It took a while to get this long, and it's gonna take a while to get back that long when I want to grow it again. But let's just stop talking and take a couple. I don't have it hooked up to anything today, so we're just gonna regular vape. This is not my first time medicating today. A little piece of weed's coming off. It's because I just fixed the just changed out the screen in there, so it kind of takes a little while to get settled in. If that makes sense. Holy shit. Shout out to everybody on YouTube. I be telling like random people online that I have Kush in my Xbox name, so they be like, you don't smoke shit. So they go on YouTube, they can see what I be smoking on. I didn't show no nugs in this video, but I'll show you some. I'll be smoking on not Babbage, I'll tell you that. Babbage is bad. It's not. It's definitely some good weed. Medical grade good weed. Take another hit here. This bowl's probably like 5 or 6 hits, so we're like the 3rd hit in. Get that stuff smoke out of there. That stuff smoking pretty hard. God damn you, stale smoke. This is a good weed for vaporizing. Sometimes you'll get like a weed. Excuse me. You'll get like a weed that like takes a long time to start vaporizing because it's not cured enough. So this is a really nice weed. So it starts vaporizing very quick. Hope that's my brother. All I hear is like on the outside of my house. Well, my door's right here, and then this wall right here, and this wall behind you guys is up to the outside, and I heard it like over here. I don't know what's going on. Alright. Go ahead and start this bolt up. There it is again. I think he's moving. I think my brother's moving his room around or something. I'll go see what that is in a second. What the fuck is that? You've been knocked back. Oh. What the fuck is that? Every time I do an arc, he does an arc. Little glass hand on there. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to Mikey for playing with me. Shout out to fucking everybody who watches the channel. You know what I'm saying? Much love to y'all. I know it's I don't know if it's a good channel or bad channel. It's just me smoking. Have been making a lot lately. Definitely gonna get back in the swing of things. Don't worry about that. Probably gonna cut this video off after one more hit. So I'm signing off after this. Much love to y'all. This bowl's about done. Let's make sure one last rip. Stale smoke, man. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is that noise? Bowl definitely killed.